Hello guys, welcome back to KS Digital Concepts. So today I want to give you an update in Samzuga ecosystem. So where what you are seeing is the Samzuga ecosystem known as African market cap. African market cap. So while looking on your screen right now, you'll be seeing a lot of things. You'll be wondering, what are you seeing? So looking at the first portal here, you can see um SSC SSC. So you can see it has grown up to 1,000,000%. Then you can see SSCB. So it has grown to almost 5,000 50%, 50,000%, 50,000%. So you can see green sugar, it is now 2003.54%. So this is the African market cap for Samzuga ecosystem. So you can see the tracking. So here is where you'll be seeing the tracking of the price of the Zugacoin ecosystem. So when you want to see the price, come to this African market cap. While looking on the screen, just look direct up here. You're going to see it. Just look up. I hope you can see it here. You can type it in your mobile device. Go to search box. Type this africanmarketcap.com. Once you type africanmarketcap.com, you are going to see it. It will take you to this portal. You are going to see this in the screen right now. So these are the where you'll be tracking the price of Zugacoin in the ecosystem. So the next thing we're going to do is to see the new application for us to see what is happening in the ecosystem. Let us see the latest app there, what is doing. So let's go to the new app. All right. So for some of you, I don't know how we got here. You can see the link. I will paste the link on the description of this video. So if you click on the description of this video, you're going to see it. But if you're not opportune to take it from the YouTube direct, so you can click. You can see up here. You are seeing African app.store. African app.store. That is what I'm going to use. African. Let me clean up this. Sorry. Okay, this is African. I hope you are seeing African. So then you put continuation app. So dot store. So once you type this in your search bar, once you type it in your search bar, African app dot store. Once you type it in your search, this is your search bar here. Once you type it on this search bar, this African app store, it will take you to this page. As you can see here, uh, so you have to refresh. This you can check your 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 browser. This is still tracking the old. This one is the old app. I heard that the current app is 11.03 megabytes, but this one is still showing um 10 points. Let me clear it and look and search for its new one to see if it will show me the same thing. Okay, remember what I said. African African app. Once you type it at this dot store, so you search. Let's see what we have. So um in in order to tackle this issue, in order to tackle this issue, I heard that you have to delete your browser, reinstall it, then search it again. I have gotten the latest version of it, sha. So you search it again so that you not have issue uploading the new application. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. You can uninstall your browser, then install it newly, so you can be able to get the current version of it. All right, so once you are able to do your downloading and get the latest version of the SSCB new wallet or Zugacoin wallet, so you just click on your P2P. So once you click on your P2P, you're going to see this buy and sell order. So if you click on P2P, you click on buy. So on the buy, you just leave it for some while. It will return to its normalcy. So like this is my own account. So you click on buy. If you click on buy, it will display the list of, yeah, it will display the list of buy like this. So you see the list of buyers. So you see buy here, buy order. You can create your own buy order. So if you click on this buy now, so it asks you to how many things do you want to buy from here. So once I click next now, I will make payment to this person and see the detail of the person. So if any of this person here, so there is a lot activity have started going on here. So activities have started going on, so you'll be the among the first to start. So this is SSCB, you buy and sell here. So SSCB, this is green sugar, you see green sugar orders here. So you can see that activity have started in earnest just this morning. So you see the activity have started in earnest. So you see the latest version of this thing. So if we all shall put hands together, we will make Zugacoin to be great in this Africa. So it's high time we open our eyes. It's high time we start this full time. It's high time we all put our effort to make this Zugacoin to work. Okay, so that everybody will be smiling every day. You see a lot of ad, it never finish. Oh, wow, 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 wow. This, do you see BNB? So yeah, you see activity have started in earnest here. So try get started immediately. So this, let's go for the sell orders. So let's see what we have there. So if you click on sell order, you wait a bit, it will get open. Yeah, so you see this is the sell order here. So this is the sell order here. The seller that is here. So you see activity have started in earnest. So you see SSCB, you can sell, you can buy, everything is going on right now. So you can also create your own ad by clicking on create. So you select the one you want to create, if it is buy or sell. So if it is for sale, so you click next, you choose which of them, MBMB, SSCB, any of them that you want to. You just select any of them, click next, then you put what your selling price. So how much are you willing to sell? If when green sugar is at 2,109, if it is when it is less or higher. So any one of them, if you want to sell less, if you want to sell higher, so you use this button to check, to put the price you want to sell at. So you do next. So now you say amount of enter asset amount to sell. So any you put the amount you want to sell your green sugar, you proceed. So then you set minimum amount you want to sell. So those people that want to buy from you, how much are you willing to sell to them? The least you can sell to them, like the one you used to see. If it is 1,000, if it is 2,000, if it is 3,000, if it is 10,000, if it is 100,000, if it is 200,000, if it is 500,000. So the least you want people that are buying from you, how many green sugar is the least? If it is 0.2, depending on the quantity you put initially, determine the least you are going to put here. So if it is like me that put 4 there, so I can put this 3, so and proceed. So this is my order. Do you see it? I'm selling at this is my selling price, 2,729 dollars. So, and the amount of the asset I'm selling is 0.4 green sugar. So minimum amount I want to sell is 0.03. So if I confirm this order now, it will go. So confirm. So my order has been put in place now. My order has been put in place. Yes, my order have been put in place. So that is it. To activity have started going on. Make sure make sure you like this video, share to many others, and let others know the latest updates in Samzuga ecosystem. Push this to your internal um to every of your friend, every of your member, every of your friend and family, every of your well wishers. Push this Zugacoin to them. Let them know about Zugacoin. Talk to them about Zugacoin. Let everyone around you know about Zugacoin. Let everyone around your community know about Zugacoin. Let everyone in your community, in your state, in your town know about Zugacoin. That Zugacoin is making wave. So we all shall make it together. We all shall put hands and work like a team. This sugar corn must get to everyone. It must get to everyone. So talk to anyone in your street about sugar corn. Tell them that sugar corn is making wave. Let them have a fraction of sugar corn. I see you in the next. I see that it's like this. My video is getting longer. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, KS Digital Concept, make sure that you subscribe so that you will be among the first people to get first-hand information anytime a new video is being released. So make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, and share to your friends and well wishers. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all. God bless Samsuga. God bless everyone, every lovers of Samsuga. God bless everyone in this foundation. God bless everybody that puts one or two effort to make sure that this project is moving higher. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye. I remain King Sam the Digital. Okay? So make sure you subscribe and like. Share to others. Let them be partaker of this project. Have a wonderful day.